would have used chicken broth as well, but I don't have any anymore. So I'm just gonna start with the water. The clock burgers look like out the box. We're gonna go ahead and use all of these. Normally I put them in the oven. Ooh. We're gonna use these two to season. And this is still good and date. It is May 31st, 25. Um, now that the burger's cooked down some, I'm gonna add some white pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder. And now I'm gonna add some onions and bell peppers. With all this stuff at the bottom, I am gonna use for my gravy. Now you're gonna flour, make sure you have your water on deck. I'll let it sit for a little bit to get that floury starch taste off. This is better if you use chicken stock because you don't have to over season it, but it is what it is. I don't like mine super thick, but then again, I don't like it super runny either. And if you always want to get a little darker, you can use browning. I don't have any to show you for reference, but browning works really good. I like to take this time and taste it. And add seasoning to taste. Let's see. Do some adobo. Onion salt. This is what that looks like. Let's get fancy. Use some wood fire garlic. And then this is just a blend of salt, pepper, and actually I can show you. It's right here. Everybody just use paprika for color. It don't taste like anything. And then let's do parsley to make it look pretty. And then add back your meat and all that flavor. Rinse this immediately so it don't stain. If you simply just can't get this sweet, savory, chicken bouillon is going to do the job. Just a little bit though. This stuff is very powerful. That right there is probably even too much.